My name is Victorio Bambini Jr. and I'm a lecturer in Biosciences at University of Central Lancashire. I work mainly with basic science, and what I'm trying to do in my laboratory is to develop approaches to better understand and potentially to treat neurodevelopmental disorders. I have been conducting and participating in several preclinical and clinical studies which were important to describe some mechanisms related to autism spectrum disorder, including the characterization of important biological pathways and new potential drugs and therapies. In this area, I'm especially interested in neuroimmunology since there are plenty of evidences linking immune alterations in neurodevelopmental disorders. It is clear that science cannot be done in one laboratory or by one person. Therefore, I'm always interested in collaborations and to supervise both undergraduate and postgraduate students. My current main collaborators are from Brazil, where I'm originally from, Finland, and the United States of America. If you are interested in this area and would like to collaborate or to work in my laboratory, please do not hesitate to contact me.